Here the question says ABC is a straight line and BCD is an equilateral triangle. So from this idea, the question asks to find out the value of y. So this is very simple one. Equilateral triangle means all sides and all angles of a triangle must be equal. That means BC equal to CD equal to BD. These three lines must be equal. And all interior angles must be 60 degree. 60 degree. This one 60, this one 60, this one 60. Why? Because if all angles are equal, then we can say it will be 180 by 3, that will be 60. Now the question asks to find out the value of y. So we can say y and 60 degree will make a straight angle. So y degree plus 60 degree will make 180 degree. And here we will give a side note, that is adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Then we need to find out the value of y, that is 180 minus 60. Here our final answer will be 120.